Previously on Survivor. The water challenge pushed both tribes to their limits. Elohi tribe took an early lead with a smart strategy, but Galulu tribe stayed composed and adapted under pressure. Their female members stepped up when it mattered most, leading the comeback and securing immunity for their tribe. Back at Tribal Council, Elohi tribe made the difficult decision to vote out Dawn, whose illness meant it was time for her to go home and recover. 14 players remain. Who will be the next person voted out?
Oo, sa Japan nga. Ay,
Sabi ng kapalaran.
parang ay nabubuo.
Isiasa mo yung sa black mo. So, lahat yung mga pamangkin ko.
Water moves from hand to hand.
The weight you must withstand.
You will carry, strong and true.
What you send comes back on you. Hold the load, don't let it fall.
Last one standing wins it all.
Bibigyan ng water, karamihan nila
Oo, para.
Alright, Galulu tribe, come on in. Alright, Elohi tribe, come on in. Take a look at the new Elohi tribe. Dawn was voted out last tribal council. Are you ready for your next immunity challenge? But first, give me back the idol. Alright, immunity idol is back up for grabs for today's challenge. This is how it works. Each tribe will select one strongest man and one strongest woman. They will be responsible for carrying your tribe's basket. One player will collect water in a bucket and pass it down the line. The water will be transferred from player to player until it reaches the end, where it is dumped into your opponent's basket. The more water in your basket, the heavier it becomes and the harder it is to carry. Okay? When only one tribe member can still hold their bucket, they will win for their tribe. Losers, tribal council, where somebody will be the third person voted out of this game. Alright, you're playing also for reward. Do you wanna know what's the reward? Yeah! Alright. Reward. Pizza. Pizza, croissants, and pastries. Alright. So reward plus immunity challenge. Alright, Galulu tribe, you have two extra member who's gonna sit out. You cannot sit out Jen.
Miley and
Miley and Karel will sit out. Take a moment to strategize and assign your roles and we will start. Alright, on the weights for Galulu tribe, Ram, Casey, for Elohi tribe, Ann, Vino. Survivors ready? Ready! Go! Oh. Alright, first bucket. NOV, binigay kay Casey. Yun, napasa. Okay. Action.
Good. Sa ilalim. Sa ilalim.
Sige, amin na. Ay, sorry.
Meron kami
Pwede ba itapon ni Jen sa ano? Oo, pwede. Pwede itapon mo kay Rayan. Itapon na kay Rayan agad.
Casey, struggling. Another night for Casey. Casey.
Magaling kasi yung kabilang team. Dahil every time na nagpapasa sila, kumukuha lahat ng tubig. So madaling napuno yung bag ko.
Tiram na lang. Try. Go on, you got this, Han. One woman. Watch the line, Han. Bawal umapa. Go on, you got it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Last man standing. Layo tayo. Pino versus Ram.
Okay para mag-ano. Bitawan niya na.
straight arms! Straight arms!
Bitaw na si Ram! Lapit na!
Alright, hello, he wins.
Tinry naman namin. Kaso lang, ang hirap na kasi yung lahat ng weight kay Ram na talaga siya pupunta. Kasi wala namang ibang top shot. Sad lang.
Alright, hello, he tribe. Congratulations. Community Idol. Alright, you are safe for the tribal council. Galuno tribe, I'll see you in tribal council. Go back to camp. Kaya na guys!
Unit na. Good job, we deserve this one.
Deserve talaga. Galing nyo guys.
Galing.
Tao tayo, may pagkain pang reward.
Go na.
Di ba wala salo kahit mga... Di ba kaya? Great.
Nagkaka-blindsided na. This is the hardest part.
Sarap.
ito, magkaroon na kami ng alliance. Kagabi pa lang, usap-usap na kami kung sino tatagal. Kaya, magugulat kayo kung sino.
Alright, get your torch, dip it in the fire. The fire represents your life. Kapag wala na yung fire, ibig sabihin, out na kayo sa game. Alright, Galulu Tribe, welcome to your first tribal council. So, Miley, ano nangyari dun sa challenge?
Sa challenge, lahat naman nagbigay ng effort.
Yun lang. Naunahan kami mapuno nung bucket. So, endurance yun. Pakahirap. Tapos manipis pa yung cord. So, struggle talaga to keep it up. So, sorry na natalo tayo ngayon.
Okay, Casey.
Yun din. Siguro kasi magaling silang mag-strategize kung paano nila itatapon yung bucket nila sa teammate nila, and kada tapon nila punong-puno. So, madaling na puno yung bucket ko. Yun din yung naging dahilan bakit nabitawan ko siya agad.
Okay, as returnee players, majority sa inyo, hindi na bago sa inyo tong tribal council. So, what's your strategy or ano magiging basis mo sa boto mo ngayon, Karel?
Siguro, I did wise decisions to make myself safe.
Alright, okay. Kat, ano magiging basis mo sa boto mo ngayon?
Kung sino yung malakas, ititira. Kasi, in order for us na hindi na mag-tribal council ulit, dapat manalo kami sa susunod na laban. Kaya kailangan malakas yung natin.
Okay, alright. It's time to vote. First, Rayan.
Hindi ko alam kung kailangan pa namin yung strength niya. Pero parang sa previous game, tapos yung the game before that, medyo parang hindi na patunay yung pagiging pro niya. So, sorry.
Alright, I'll go tally the votes. If anyone has hidden immunity idol and wants to play it, now's the time to do so. Wala. Person voted out will be asked to leave the tribal council immediately. I'll read the votes. First vote. Ram. Second vote. Jen. 1 vote Jen, 1 vote Ram. Third vote. Ram. 2 votes Ram, 1 vote Jen. Fourth vote. Ram. 3 votes Ram, 1 vote Jen. Ram. 4 votes Ram, 1 vote Jen. Third person voted out on Survivor Texas. Ras versus the world. Ram. Ram, bring me your torch. Alright Ram, the tribe has spoken. Okay, you can go.
So ayun, sinasabi ko na nga ba, nagkaisa nila ako. Katapos kong gumawa ng alliance, ako pala yung tatanggalin nila. Okay lang kasi nag-enjoy naman ako kahit.
Stay tuned for scenes for our next episode. Next time on Survivor, castaways will face one of the wildest challenges yet as they become human piranhas, biting into a giant slab of meat and racing to collect as much as they can. With the game heating up and alliances beginning to crack, who will sink their teeth into victory and who will be left as the next target?
Nalalasaan mo yung dugo.